Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Toy Castle is probably one of the most enchanting and imaginative playsets you can bring into your child's world, offering endless hours of creative storytelling and adventure as they explore royal chambers, defend against mythical creatures, or host grand feasts, fostering crucial developmental skills through immersive pretend play that truly sparks joy and wonder in every little prince or princess. Number 5. Tiny Land Fort Building Kit. Unleash creativity with this amazing fort building kit. Designed for endless indoor and outdoor fun, it's perfect for children aged 5 to 12. With 130 pieces, including 86 rods and 44 balls, assembly is simple and secure. Children can easily build and rebuild countless structures, then store everything in the convenient carrying pouch. This deluxe pack offers challenges and fun for the whole family. Together, you can construct caves, tunnels, forts, and more, creating unforgettable memories. Looking for the perfect present? This kit makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's great for kids 8 to 12 independently, or 5 to 7 with a little help from parents. Rest assured, it meets strict safety standards like ASTM F963-17 and CPSIA. Its non-toxic poles and balls are made from durable, high-quality materials, ensuring safe play every day. We offer various options to suit every need, including a luminous version for extra fun. Discover the perfect set for your child's imagination. What we like? This kit offers unparalleled versatility for building large, imaginative structures. Its robust design allows for endless configurations, from castles to tunnels, fostering creativity and problem solving. If you are looking for a toy that encourages collaborative play and grand construction projects, this is an excellent choice for your family. What people say. Number 4. Super Mario Nintendo Deluxe Mushroom Kingdom Castle Playset. Step into the amazing world of Mario with this feature wall display set. It brings the iconic Mushroom Kingdom to life right on your wall. You can reenact your favorite Mario scenes and embark on thrilling quests. Help save Princess Peach from the clutches of Bowser and his mischievous minions. This playset comes with 5 articulated 2.5-inch action figures. It includes an exclusive Bowser, Princess Peach, Mario, Luigi, and Goomba, ready for action. Beyond the figures, it features the castle playset itself, plus 2 question blocks, a brick block, a flag goal pole, a star, and 2 coins. It also includes a reusable wall poster for dynamic play. Boys and girls can both display their favorite characters and engage in imaginative play. It works seamlessly with most 2.5-inch Nintendo World Super Mario action figures and accessories. Designed for kids ages 3 years and up, this set offers endless hours of fun. It's the perfect gift for any young fan of the Super Mario universe. What we like? This playset brings the beloved Mushroom Kingdom to life with iconic characters and a unique wall display feature. It allows kids to reenact their favorite adventures, saving Princess Peach from Bowser, right on their wall or floor. If your child is a fan of the Super Mario universe and enjoys imaginative role-playing with familiar figures, this set is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were available in the source JSON. Unable to extract specific points for the toy castle due to empty input. Number 3. Soyee Diamond Princess Castle Magnetic Tiles. Unleash your child's imagination with this enchanting magnetic tile set. They can construct a magnificent princess castle world, complete with princes and princesses. Watch their creativity soar as they bring their royal dreams to life. Crafted from food-grade ABS plastic, these 58 durable magnet toys are designed for endless play. They include essential parts like doors, windows, and stairs, ensuring a safe and sturdy kingdom for your little one. You can trust in its quality and safety. This versatile magnetic block set is fully compatible with most other magnetic tile sets, expanding play possibilities. It's perfect for imaginative play at home, during road trips, or even for playdates at the park. Take the fun wherever you go. Encourage hands-on STEAM learning while developing crucial skills. It helps children aged 3 to 8 enhance fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and problem-solving abilities. Through building and storytelling, they'll learn and grow. Looking for a fun and educational present? This set makes a perfect birthday, Christmas, or holiday gift for kids who love castles and building. It's ideal for preschools, kindergartens, family playtime, and Montessori learning environments. What we like. This set lets children build a sparkling princess castle world with unique diamond-shaped magnetic tiles. It's durable, food-grade ABS plastic ensures safe play, and it's compatible with most other magnetic tile sets for expanded creativity. If you like beautiful, themed building sets that can grow with your child's existing collection, this is a fantastic option. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract relevant points. Number 2. Soyee Magnetic Tiles 102 PCS Princess Castle Set. These magnetic tiles will capture the attention of kids who love the ice world. They can imagine themselves in this magical realm, creating their own inspired stories and scenes. With more shapes than normal magnets, including dolls, doors, windows, and stairs, this set offers endless possibilities. Your princess can build her very own winter castle and kingdom. Building with these tiles provides opportunities for kids to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. They can experiment with balance, stability, and gravity, understanding magnetic properties as they build. Made from safe, durable food-grade ABS plastic and stronger magnets, these toys connect easily and stack in various ways. They support the development of perseverance and resilience as kids design larger builds. Don't hesitate. Any child will be fascinated by these diamond magnetic tiles. It's a great everyday or holiday gift that entertains for hours and teaches valuable construction and creativity skills. What we like. This magnetic tile set stands out with its captivating ice theme and includes additional pieces like dolls and stairs for richer storytelling. The stronger magnets ensure more stable and complex builds, supporting the development of perseverance and resilience. If you are looking for a magnetic tile set with a distinct theme and enhanced role-play elements, this offers a truly immersive experience. What people say. Number 1. Hiwawind Princess Magnetic Blocks. Bring fairy tales to life with these enchanting magnetic blocks. Your little ones can easily design and build their dream princess castle, inspiring endless creativity. Enjoy effortless construction with its unique 8-magnet design in each cube. This ensures a reliable and secure connection, making it easy for even beginners to build stable structures. More than just a toy, it offers vibrant colors, rich textures, and satisfying ASMR sounds. This unique sensory experience helps reduce stress, anxiety, and fosters focus. These blocks ignite hands-on learning and spatial awareness through intricate construction. They train problem-solving skills and cultivate artistic expression away from screens. Beautifully packaged and rich in detail, it's an ideal present for any occasion. Parents trust this premium gift choice, and kids will enjoy playing with it for years. What we like. This princess-themed magnetic block set offers frustration-free building with its unique 8-magnet design per cube, ensuring stable connections. Beyond construction, it provides an immersive sensory experience with vibrant colors, textures, and satisfying ASMR clicking sounds. If you want a building toy that is easy for beginners, promotes focus, and offers calming sensory engagement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.